Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to set reminders for shared tasks in TODOIST. Let's jump right in. First off, open TODOIST and navigate to the specific task you want to share and set a reminder for. This helps us because it ensures everyone involved is notified and on the same page. Next up, click on the task to open it. Now look for the date and time icon, typically located at the bottom of the task window. Click on it. Setting the date and time is crucial as it allows you to schedule the task and set reminders accordingly. Now let's set the reminder. You'll notice a bell icon. Click on that and select Set Reminder. Here, you can choose when you want to be reminded. You can set it to a few minutes, hours, or even days before the task is due. This is important because it ensures that the task doesn't slip through the cracks. Now that we've done that, let's share the task. Click on the Share icon. It's usually represented by a silhouette or two. Here, you can add the email addresses of the people you want to share the task with. Sharing the task allows everyone involved to receive the same reminders and updates, fostering better collaboration and accountability. Finally, click on Save. This is the final step that solidifies all the changes you made. Remember, without saving, none of your set reminders or shared settings will be kept. And that's it. You've just learned how to set reminders for shared tasks in TODOIST. Thanks for watching, and remember to save those tasks. Until next time, stay productive.